Hello, dear students, and welcome to our new English lesson, Continents and Oceans. My name is Snježana Pavić, and I will be your teacher today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name the 4 points of compass, the 7 continents and the 5 oceans, and then properly pronounce the names of the continents and oceans while singing a song, and also listen and follow some directions and give directions to a friend. For this lesson, you need a notebook, a pencil, and a device with internet connection. To follow directions, you need to know where north, east, south, and west are. North points to the top of the map. South points to the bottom of the map. East points to the right of the map. And west points to the left of the map. Here is a technique how to easily remember the points of compass. Well, remember the words never eat slimy worms, which means nikad nemoj jesti ljigave crve. So remember these words and their first letters. They will help you remember the points of compass in English. N for north, E for east, S for south, and W for west. Let's practice finding north, south, east, and west on the globe. And this globe is a model of the planet Earth. You can think of it as a map that is in the shape of a ball. Now please listen to me and point with your finger on the globe. Which way is north? It is on the top of the globe. And which way is west? Correct. It is on the left-hand side of the globe. And which way is east? Definitely, it is on the right-hand side. And which way is south on the globe? Correct, it is at the bottom of the globe. And now have a look at our planet. You can see that it is mostly blue. And of course it is blue, because continents cover only 29% of the Earth. Everything else is water. Now, please listen to me and repeat the names of the 7 continents on the Earth. Asia, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica. Great, thank you. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Can you name some countries in Asia? This is India, and this is China, right? And this is Japan. Okay. And do you know that more than half of the world lives in Asia? Africa has 54 countries, more than any other continent. There is the longest river in the world, the Nile, and there is the biggest desert in the world, the Sahara. North America connects with South America in Panama, right here. There are very large countries in North America, like Canada and the United States, and there are open spaces and big cities in North America. Well, South America. In South America, there is the biggest rainforest, the Amazon. And there are many plants and animals that you cannot see anywhere else on the planet. The Amazon is in the north of South America. Antarctica is in the south, at the bottom of our planet. It is covered with ice, and it is home to penguins and seals. And Europe? Well, Croatia is in Europe, right here. You can eat delicious food in different countries in Europe, like pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries. Australia is the smallest continent. A group of islands in the Pacific Ocean, together with Australia, are called Oceania. It's singing time. Let's sing and revise some new words and the names of the 7 continents we have learned today. Copy this bit.ly address bit.ly/continents5 or scan the QR code. And you will see again that the world is split up into 7 continents, and that if you get the gist, you can make a list of them all. Let's move on to the next topic, the oceans. If continents cover 29% of the Earth, then oceans cover 71% of the Earth. Please listen and repeat the names of the oceans after me. The Indian Ocean. It lies between Asia, Africa, and Australia. And then the Atlantic Ocean. It lies between Europe and Africa in the east, and North and South America in the west. And then the Pacific Ocean. This is the biggest ocean in the world. And then the Antarctic Ocean. It lies around Antarctica. And the Arctic Ocean. It lies near the North Pole. It is the smallest ocean in the world. Pause the video now and let's play. Copy this bit.ly address into your browser, bit.ly/continents and oceans, or scan the QR code. Your task is to drag and drop the names of the continents and oceans. And have fun! Soon we will travel across the world. Before we start traveling, let's revise some words and expressions that may help you follow my instructions. Turn right. Go straight on. Cross or go across. Turn left and go through. Copy the words in your notebooks and then copy the numbers of each picture next to the correct word. Please pause the video and do the task. Let's check it together. it's your turn to read. So please read aloud these words and I will show you the pictures. So the first one is and then thank you and and then I agree. And the last one, thank you. Your task now is to translate the words in your notebooks. I have hidden some treasure somewhere on this map. Let's travel. It may be on one of these continents or in one of these oceans. Your task is to find my treasure. So please listen to my instructions and follow my directions. Well, start here in Croatia. Okay. Your head should be facing north. Turn left and walk straight until you reach an ocean. Okay? Sail west across the ocean. After 3 days and nights of sailing, you are on a continent. Now turn south and walk straight down. Go across many open spaces and walk through many big cities until you reach the Amazon rainforest. You are on another continent. Go through the Amazon rainforest, take a break, and watch some beautiful plants and animals. Then turn left, put on your cap, your scarf, gloves, and snow boots, and travel south. You are ready to cross a very cold ocean and reach an ice continent. Stop here and watch seals and penguins for a while. Then pack your things and travel north. It's time to warm up. You are on a very hot continent now. Walk straight toward the north. When you reach a large desert, stop and drink a glass of water. Then turn right and cross a river. You don't have time to waste, so find a ship and sail across an ocean to the east. You are on the biggest continent of all. Walk east and then turn south. Sail across one more ocean. When you reach the smallest continent, stop. Put on your swimsuit, turn east and jump over some island countries. And here you are, at the place where my hidden treasure is. It is in this ocean and this is the Pacific Ocean. It's your lucky day. Let's check directions one more time. The first continent on the map is, tell me. Right, Europe. Then there is one ocean and it is, good job, the Atlantic Ocean. Then again one continent and it is, well done, North America. And North America connects with right, South America. And then a very cold ocean, and it is right, the Antarctic Ocean. and then the ice continent, and it is right, Antarctica. And a very hot continent, and it is right, Africa. And the ocean that lies between Africa, Asia, and Australia, the Indian Ocean. And the biggest continent is correct, Asia. And the smallest continent? Australia. And my treasure is in which ocean? Right, the Pacific Ocean. Great. It's your turn to create a treasure map. It may be the map of your country, your town, your street, or your school. First, draw 2 identical maps and include the points of compass. Then send one map to your friend. Then, on your map, mark the spot where your treasure is. Draw the path to follow to find the treasure on your map. You can also make some notes in your notebooks to help you, and also include words for directions like walk through, turn left, and for positions like in the south. And then talk to your friend and give instructions to him or her. You may also want to make your map look like an old treasure map. Use a wet tea bag and wipe it over both sides of the paper. The map will turn a light brown color. And then crumple the map into a ball. And finally, tear off the edges of all 4 sides of the paper. And have fun with the task. And here we are, at the end of today's lesson. It's time for self-assessment. You can see 3 different circles, green, yellow, and red. If you can name 6 or 7 continents, put a tick under the green circle. If you can name 3, 4, or 5 continents, put a tick under the yellow circle. But if you can name only 1 or 2 continents, put a tick under the red circle. Do the same with the 5 oceans and the 4 points of compass. And put a tick under the green circle if you can listen to and follow instructions. Ovdje možete staviti kvačicu ispod žutog kruga ako ste bili dosta blizu blaga, na primjer možda ste skoknuli u desno u Indijski ocean, ali ako ste otišli negdje prema sjeveru, onda sigurno ne razumijete dobro upute i stavite kvačicu ispod crvenog kruga. And do the same with the last one, write my own instructions. If your friend can listen to you and find the treasure on the map, then your instructions are great. If your instructions are good, but your friend has to check your instructions with you, put a tick under the yellow circle. If your instructions cannot help your friend to find the treasure, then put a tick under the red circle. Well, that's all for today. Till next time, bye-bye.